Picture this. You're at your doctor's office for a routine checkup, expecting everything to be fine. But then your doctor delivers the news. Your creatinine levels are higher than normal. A wave of anxiety washes over you. You know your kidneys are vital for your health, but what does this mean for your future? Will you need medication, or worse, dialysis? But what if there was a simple, natural way to lower your creatinine levels and protect your kidneys, without relying on drugs or invasive treatments? You're not alone in this struggle. Over 37 million adults in the US live with chronic kidney disease, yet many remain unaware of it until it's too late. High creatinine is one of the earliest signs of kidney stress, and managing it early can make all the difference. That's why in today's video, we're uncovering the #1 most powerful kidney remedy that your doctor might not mention. This solution is natural, easy to incorporate into your life, and has the potential to transform your kidney health. So, stay with me until the end, because what you'll discover today could be the game changer you've been searching for. Are you ready to take control of your kidney health? Let's dive in. Creatinine is a waste product formed by the normal breakdown of muscle tissue. It is filtered out of the blood by the kidneys and excreted through urine. However, when your kidneys are not functioning properly, creatinine levels can accumulate in the blood, leading to potential health issues. Elevated creatinine is often associated with kidney diseases, dehydration, or even certain medications. Early management is crucial, as high creatinine levels can escalate into chronic kidney problems if ignored. So how can we manage this naturally? These 8 remedies have shown promising results in promoting kidney health and reducing creatinine levels. Let's kick things off with one of nature's most underrated superfoods, celery. This humble green stalk isn't just a crunchy snack or a soup ingredient, it's a powerhouse for kidney health. Celery is packed with anti-inflammatory compounds like luteolin and apigenin, which help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in the kidneys. These issues are often the root causes of elevated creatinine levels and declining kidney function. What makes celery particularly remarkable is its natural diuretic properties. It encourages increased urine production, which helps the body flush out toxins, waste products, and excess creatinine, essentially giving your kidneys a much-needed detox. A study published in the Journal of Medicinal Food highlighted celery seed extract as an effective agent in improving kidney function and lowering inflammation, making it an excellent ally for those battling kidney issues. Beyond detoxification, celery is a hydration hero. With its high water content, it keeps the body hydrated, ensuring that the kidneys can filter blood effectively. Proper hydration is a cornerstone of kidney health, and celery delivers that in a tasty and versatile package. So how can you incorporate this powerful kidney booster into your daily routine? Start your morning with a fresh glass of celery juice, or chop it up into salads for a crunchy addition. For an extra boost, pair it with a splash of lemon juice. The vitamin C in lemon enhances the detoxification process and adds a zesty kick to your routine. By simply including celery in your diet, you're taking a proactive step towards supporting your kidneys and maintaining their optimal function. Next up is a fruit that's as delicious as it is beneficial, watermelon. This juicy, vibrant fruit is more than just a refreshing summer treat. It's a natural remedy for supporting kidney health and managing creatinine levels. Watermelon's secret lies in its high water content, making it an exceptional hydrator. Proper hydration is crucial for kidneys as it helps dilute creatinine levels and assists in flushing out toxins more effectively through urine. But there's more to watermelon than just its hydrating power. It's rich in citrulline, an amino acid that improves blood circulation and helps relax blood vessels. By promoting better blood flow, citrulline reduces blood pressure, a major factor in kidney stress. A study published in the Journal of Nutritional Biochemistry found that regular consumption of watermelon can lower blood pressure by 10 to 15% and significantly enhance kidney filtration efficiency, thereby reducing creatinine buildup by up to 20%. What makes watermelon even more impressive is its ability to balance blood sugar levels despite its natural sweetness. Research from the Journal of Renal Nutrition highlighted that watermelon, due to its fiber and water content, can stabilize blood sugar levels, making it a safe and effective choice for individuals concerned about kidney health. Incorporating watermelon into your diet is simple and enjoyable. Try blending it into a smoothie with fresh mint and honey for a refreshing drink that boosts kidney function. Alternatively, enjoy it as a snack or in fruit salads. Its versatility and natural sweetness make it a crowd pleaser, while providing essential nutrients for kidney support. By adding watermelon to your diet, you're not only treating your taste buds, but also giving your kidneys the care they need to thrive. A sweet solution that's both effective and delightful. Coming in at number 3 is a kitchen staple with extraordinary health benefits: garlic. Known for its bold flavor and medicinal properties, garlic is a natural powerhouse for kidney health. Its magic lies in a compound called allicin, a potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory agent. Allicin works to reduce inflammation in the kidneys and protect them from oxidative stress, 2 major contributors to elevated creatinine levels and kidney damage. Garlic's benefits don't stop there. High blood pressure is one of the leading causes of kidney strain, and garlic is a well-documented natural remedy for lowering blood pressure. Research published in the Journal of Clinical Biochemistry demonstrated that regular garlic consumption could reduce systolic and diastolic blood pressure by up to 15%, which significantly alleviates stress on the kidneys. Lower blood pressure translates to better filtration and reduced creatinine buildup in the bloodstream. Additionally, garlic plays a vital role in improving circulation and preventing arterial plaque buildup. Healthy blood flow ensures the kidneys receive adequate oxygen and nutrients to perform their filtration duties efficiently. Studies from the National Institutes of Health have highlighted garlic's ability to detoxify the body, helping the kidneys eliminate waste more effectively and reduce the toxic load. Incorporating garlic into your diet is incredibly easy. You can enjoy it raw for maximum allicin content, or infuse fresh garlic into olive oil to create a flavorful addition to your meals. Cooking with garlic not only enhances the taste of your food, but also delivers a natural remedy that supports your kidneys and overall health. By making garlic a regular part of your diet, you're embracing a time-tested, natural way to improve kidney function, lower creatinine levels, and enhance overall well-being. This golden remedy proves that great health can begin right in your kitchen. Next, we have apples, a fruit often celebrated for its myriad health benefits, including its remarkable ability to support kidney function. What makes apples so beneficial for kidney health is their high pectin content. Pectin is a soluble fiber that binds to toxins in the digestive tract, preventing them from entering the bloodstream and alleviating the detoxification workload on the kidneys. By reducing the toxin load, apples indirectly contribute to lowering creatinine levels and protecting kidney function. Apples are also known for their cholesterol-lowering properties. High levels of LDL cholesterol can lead to vascular issues and high blood pressure, 2 significant risk factors for kidney damage. According to research published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, consuming apples regularly can reduce LDL cholesterol levels, improve blood flow, and ease the strain on the kidneys. Moreover, apples are rich in antioxidants like quercetin and vitamin C, which combat oxidative stress. Oxidative stress is a key factor in kidney deterioration, as free radicals can damage kidney tissues over time. By neutralizing these harmful molecules, the antioxidants in apples provide a protective shield for your kidneys. Apples are not only nutritious, but also incredibly versatile. Enjoy them raw as a snack, bake them for a comforting dessert, or add them to your morning oatmeal. You can even make a refreshing apple and cinnamon-infused water to sip throughout the day for added hydration and kidney support. Incorporating apples into your diet is a simple and delicious way to promote kidney health, lower creatinine levels, and support overall well-being. They prove that sometimes the best remedies are the simplest ones, straight from nature's pantry. Coming in at number 5, cranberries are a small but mighty superfood when it comes to kidney health. These tart, ruby-red berries are widely recognized for their ability to support urinary tract health, but their benefits extend far beyond that. Cranberries are rich in proanthocyanidins, powerful antioxidants that help prevent harmful bacteria from adhering to the walls of the urinary tract, reducing the risk of infections that could place additional stress on your kidneys. What sets cranberries apart is their ability to improve the kidney's filtration process by combating inflammation and oxidative stress. A study published in the Journal of Urology highlighted that regular cranberry consumption significantly reduced markers of inflammation in the kidneys and improved overall renal function. This is particularly beneficial for those with elevated creatinine levels, as it helps the kidneys perform their detoxification duties more effectively. Additionally, cranberries are a natural source of quinic acid, which has been shown to reduce the formation of kidney stones by lowering calcium and oxalate levels in urine. Kidney stones are a common issue that can impair kidney function, so preventing their development is crucial for maintaining healthy creatinine levels. For best results, opt for unsweetened cranberry juice or fresh cranberries to avoid added sugars, which can counteract their benefits. You can also incorporate cranberries into your diet by adding them to salads, smoothies, or oatmeal for a tangy twist. With their ability to fight infections, prevent kidney stones, and reduce inflammation, cranberries are undoubtedly a powerful ally for maintaining optimal kidney health. Their vibrant flavor and impressive health benefits make them a natural remedy you'll want to keep in your diet. Next up is cilantro, a fragrant herb often used to add flavor to dishes, but its benefits go far beyond its culinary uses. Cilantro, also known as coriander leaves, is a natural detoxifier that plays a significant role in promoting kidney health and reducing creatinine levels. This herb is packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that support the kidney's natural detoxification processes. One of cilantro's most notable benefits is its ability to chelate heavy metals. These toxic substances, such as lead and mercury, can accumulate in the body over time, placing undue stress on the kidneys as they work to filter them out. A study published in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology revealed that cilantro effectively binds to heavy metals and aids in their elimination from the body, reducing the kidney's workload and protecting them from damage. Cilantro is also known for its diuretic properties, which help increase urine production and flush out toxins more efficiently. By promoting this natural cleansing process, cilantro helps prevent the buildup of waste products like creatinine, making it an excellent addition to a kidney-friendly diet. Furthermore, its anti-inflammatory compounds can help soothe kidney tissues, reducing the risk of chronic kidney issues caused by prolonged stress or inflammation. Adding cilantro to your diet is simple and versatile. Blend it into smoothies, sprinkle it over salads, or use it to garnish soups and curries. You can also prepare a detoxifying cilantro tea by steeping fresh leaves in hot water, adding a squeeze of lemon for added antioxidant benefits. With its powerful detoxifying properties and ability to support kidney function, cilantro proves that small, everyday ingredients can make a big difference in your overall health. Incorporating this humble herb into your meals is an easy, natural way to keep your kidneys functioning at their best. Coming in at number 7, parsley is a well-known herb with a long history of being used as a natural remedy for kidney health. Often underestimated as just a garnish, parsley is actually a potent diuretic and detoxifier that can work wonders for your kidneys. Its ability to promote urine production and flush out toxins makes it a valuable ally in reducing creatinine levels and maintaining optimal kidney function. Parsley contains an abundance of essential nutrients like vitamin C, vitamin K, and folate, which help protect the kidneys from oxidative stress and inflammation. Research published in the Journal of Renal Nutrition highlights that parsley's high concentration of antioxidants, such as flavonoids and carotenoids, helps combat free radicals that can damage kidney tissues. One of parsley's standout features is its ability to reduce water retention by acting as a natural diuretic. By increasing the flow of urine, parsley assists the kidneys in flushing out excess sodium and other waste products, alleviating stress on these vital organs. Additionally, it contains apigenin, a natural compound with anti-inflammatory properties, which can help soothe and protect the kidneys from chronic damage. Parsley has also been linked to the prevention of kidney stones. Its high levels of oxalates might raise concerns for some, but when consumed in moderation, parsley has been shown to prevent the formation of stones by reducing calcium and uric acid deposits in the urinary tract. A study published in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology demonstrated that parsley extract reduced kidney stone formation and improved kidney health in animal models. To reap the benefits of parsley, consider adding it to your salads, soups, or smoothies. For a more concentrated effect, you can prepare parsley tea by steeping fresh or dried parsley leaves in hot water. This simple drink serves as a natural detoxifier and provides hydration, both of which are essential for kidney health. Parsley proves that powerful remedies for kidney health can often be found in everyday kitchen staples. Its ability to detoxify, reduce inflammation, and support overall kidney function makes it a must-have in your diet for maintaining a healthy renal system. Last but certainly not least is dandelion root, an ancient remedy revered for its powerful kidney-supporting properties. This humble plant, often dismissed as a pesky weed, holds incredible potential for promoting kidney health and lowering creatinine levels. Its diuretic and detoxifying abilities make it a valuable natural ally for anyone looking to improve their renal function. Dandelion root is packed with antioxidants like beta-carotene and flavonoids, which protect kidney tissues from oxidative stress and inflammation. These compounds help shield the kidneys from damage caused by toxins and free radicals, a key factor in preventing the buildup of waste products like creatinine. Additionally, dandelion root stimulates the kidneys to produce more urine, which aids in flushing out excess sodium, urea, and creatinine from the body. A study published in the Journal of Medicinal Food highlighted dandelion's effectiveness as a natural diuretic. It found that dandelion root extract significantly increased urine output without causing a loss of potassium, a vital electrolyte often depleted by synthetic diuretics. This makes dandelion root a safer and more balanced option for supporting kidney function. Beyond its diuretic properties, dandelion root contains compounds that help improve liver function. Since the liver and kidneys work in tandem to detoxify the body, supporting liver health indirectly benefits the kidneys, making it easier for them to process and eliminate waste. Incorporating dandelion root into your routine is simple. You can prepare a soothing tea by steeping dried dandelion root in hot water, or opt for dandelion root supplements, which are widely available in health stores. For an added boost, combine dandelion root tea with a dash of lemon juice, which enhances its detoxifying effects and provides a refreshing flavor. Dandelion root serves as a gentle yet powerful remedy for maintaining kidney health. Its ability to detoxify, promote healthy urine flow, and protect against oxidative damage makes it a natural tonic for supporting optimal renal function. With its centuries-old reputation and proven benefits, this unassuming plant deserves a spot in your kidney care regimen. Maintaining healthy kidneys requires a combination of good dietary choices and lifestyle habits. Incorporating kidney-friendly foods like those discussed earlier into your daily diet is a great start. Equally important is staying hydrated, as adequate water intake helps flush toxins and prevents kidney stone formation. A balanced diet rich in whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats can support overall kidney function while keeping harmful substances like sodium and sugar in check. Regular exercise improves blood flow to the kidneys and supports their efficiency. Lastly, always consult a healthcare professional before making major dietary changes or trying new remedies, especially if you have an existing kidney condition. These proactive steps can significantly enhance kidney health and reduce the risk of complications. Your kidneys work hard to keep your body in balance, and with these 8 remedies, you can support them naturally. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more health tips. Which remedy will you try first? Let us know in the comments below, and thank you for watching.